Here's how to make this cute fall rustic wood sign. So first, all you'll need is some napkins. I got these really cute fall napkins from Dollar General for just $1. So this is how they look outside of the packaging. They're really thick. They're kind of like premium napkins. They're really good quality to be just $1. First, you'll just open up your napkin all of the way, and then you'll just cut out the design on your napkin. So my napkin had this little plaid bottom on it, and I don't want to use that on my sign, so I'm just going to trim that part off. And then we'll just separate the layers of the napkin, so you'll just need to peel off the back layer of that napkin. And all that you'll be left with is a really thin piece with your design on it. So then you'll grab your Mod Podge and you'll just paint over your entire wood sign. So I did pre-paint my sign. I left the edges with the wood stain showing through just to give it that rustic look, but you can paint your sign however you like. Since this is a white napkin, I did want to paint the background white just so you wouldn't be able to see the outside border of this napkin. So then you'll just place your design directly on that Mod Podge on your sign. And I usually try to let the center grab first and then just slowly work your way out. That way you can try to avoid as many creases as possible. Another trick is to grab some plastic. So I just used the plastic that the napkins came in and just place that over the design, and then just go over it with my little squeegee just to work out any extra creases or wrinkles in the napkin. And then you'll just be gentle pulling that off of your design just in case it grabs so you don't rip your design. So that's really all you have to do. You can add a layer of Mod Podge to it if you like. I didn't do it for this sign, but this one right here I did add it to it. It really didn't make a huge difference, but it's just all in your preference. And here's a close-up of it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up if you did. Also consider subscribing, as I do have a lot of videos like this on my channel that you can check out. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.